This video has a mouse that moves in front of me, but also it's a video in which will be a reaction and a discussion of Get Reincarnated into Another World with Campfire Cooking. Yes. The reaction is not going to commence. Wow, why is he looking at him so suspiciously? Wow, wow, indeed. By the way, it's so ridiculous. My superpower is all about cooking. Yeah, I know, but it's so ridiculous that Mappa is the studio that makes this. I'm excited. The animation will have some insane peaks, I'm certain. Indeed. Ooh, okay, you're gonna clean them? Huh. Whoa. Shield? Blessing? Powers? Okay. Okay. Indeed. Indeed. Probably. Cool. Praise alright. That skill is insane. Kierogras. What's the difference? Oh, there really is no difference. You just... Oh. Yep, appraisal is awesome like that, I suppose. Oh god, I'm so glad I consumed so much food before this because I won't be... Who's ready for some Sakuga when it comes to food? Another rock bird, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow, this guy is a professional cook. Yeah, indeed. Yep. Wow. Oh no. No, he's gonna love it as well. Deep. Truly great. God! Oh, I'm so fat. Shouldn't be enjoying food as much as I am. It's my vice. That's my vice, food. Oh my goodness. His face. Yeah, it's not too bad. No, do you have an overpowered familiar with? Whoa. Giant deer. Yeah. Literally all of them. Could you have infinite storage? Yeah, these. Yeah. Yeah, good question. Oh, really? Yeah. We're never gonna see his hand, right? Animation is so difficult. I have so much more respect for animation than any live action. I was gonna say trash. Not all live action is trash. Just 90%, 99.9% of all live action is trash. Anyway, of course, indeed, indeed, indeed. Know your place, dog. Okay. Indeed, it's because of your skill. It's your. Cool. Oof. Yeah. She's a fan. Alright. Indeed. She loves dogs. Respectable. Indeed. Yes. Yeah. Indeed. Look at that. Of course. Is that a giant dodo? Are they? Ooh. Fair. Fair. Orcs. Yep. Okay. He's kind of worried, but we'll see. I also would be kind of worried to eat a bipedal creature that wears clothing. I wouldn't be worried. I wouldn't, would I do it? Depends on how desperate I am. The item box and just the identification skill are insane by themselves. By the way, is he gonna eat the orc? Come on, mate. Try. Try it. It's delicious. Premium pork, okay? That's nice. Yeah, fair, fair. Just like human meat. No, actually, legitimately, I do believe actually human meat is kind of disgusting. That's good at least. Probably. Yep. Yeah. Indeed, you have to get a better idea. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah. Oh wow, this guy is so nice. He's actually giving him all the info. I like him. Ooh. Cool. Indeed. Interesting. Yeah. You have a lot of money now. Oh. Ah, come on. I was hoping for... Now that I know this is from Mappa, I'm hoping for a one fight episode. Come on, just show me one of the hunts. Well, don't tease me the entire show, just give me one. So that you can feel the godliness that Mappa delivers. The divine touch that it has. Meat is best. Oh my goodness, he's just ordering the ready food. Yep, just stacks of food. I wonder whether he's actually breaking the economy in our world. Okay. Oh my goodness, that's just not even the main. Okay. Cool. Indeed. 2 silver. Divine. Indeed. But you need more money. Indeed. Yes. It makes sense. Really? I guess so. I guess if there are enough animals throughout the year and you can eat the monsters, I guess you don't need to domesticate stuff. But no, they domesticate. Yeah. Indeed. Of course you do. Ooh, you tied with him. Oh? What? Huh? 50% increase. Oh, yep, the protection again. Ooh, cool. Huh? You should get more familiars and feed them. That's the first thing I would do. This skill would be amazing. Ah, Rockbird. One shot. Fair. An unworthy opponent. Is there a dragon here? Oh, this thing. Wait, why did lightning? That's just magic, I guess. Indeed. Orcs again. Pathetic, right? Okay, Ranga. Fair. Giant orc. Orc ward, perhaps? Who? Orc general, okay, not an orc ward. Right. He wasn't even there. Absolutely. So many monsters. Oh, a chimera! That's so cool. Like it. Alright. So I mean I get we got what I wished for. Orc General. Metal Lizard. Bull Ogre. Yep. A chimera. Yep. Yeah. Otherworldly campaign, otherworld food, amazing stuff, love it. Awesome animation, map makes this anime. Yes. I desperately want to speedrun this so that I can watch the next episode immediately. Around this second, if I have to be perfectly honest with you. I wanna watch the next one right this second. This one was great. Learning more about overpowered stats, gaining even more power, understanding the meaning of the universe, becoming God. Cool stuff like that, I think it all makes sense. And yeah, his otherworldly cooking is a superpower. It's one of the ultimate support powers, I suppose. It literally buffs your stats in every single way. And are you sure that the little beef, is the thing that gave him so much stamina? I mean, it's once again that otherworldly thing. But doesn't the food from this world buff him then? It would make sense, right? Are they ever gonna mention it? I hope so. But hey, really had fun. I love this show. But for now, there's a video you can subscribe to my channel there, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.